No, I hate how I look right now. Avoiding. But anyways, we're on our way to Theo's.
Is it good audio on that one too?
I doubt it.
Mine's so good.
Yeah, okay. We're zoomed in. It was my mom's.
Oh.
Just like everything I own is like my mom's.
Actually, let's get to it.
Sorry, let me just.
Where's my straw?
And this is my
You think?
Am I right?
I think you are right. That does look like a burrata. I think this is a leaf.
Say something.
Did you get my earrings? I'm like, zoom in, please. I'm giving side eye.
Oh. Look, does yours have like a little light?
No? What the fuck?
Okay, we are currently at Amelia's hotel room. Basically, we are going to head back home, and then my friend Nuria is coming as well, and it'll be cute. We'll probably make something to eat. But yeah.
But yeah. I'm trying to get this hangnail off. Tomorrow night we're going out.
What time are we doing that?
I don't know. Nuria's leaving. Wait, say bye. Hold on.
Bye bye. Oh, it's so
cute. Love. Bye
Bye bye. Please.
This is definitely like my video diaries. Like I have some of Paris. I want to like see if I can get this on my my computer so I can like watch it. I haven't tested it yet, so.
I'm so excited.
I'm so scared. Don't leave, okay?
Abandonment issues.
Cut.
I meant it.
So how are we feeling today?
So I'm feeling accomplished, fulfilled. I'm feeling like today was very
cute.
That girl was so sweet.
Nuria?
Yeah, okay. I was like, this girl, what do you want about? No, I love her. I love her so much. She's like literally the sweetest.
Yeah, sure.
Oh yeah, I felt like today was such like an easy day, you know?
Yeah.
Like I also wasn't very present today, but it's fine.
Why?
Like I don't know.
Why?
I don't know.
Tell us why.
Gosh, I don't even know. I just didn't feel very like with myself.
I know what you mean. Yeah.
But like as the day went on, I was like, oh, okay. I'm
I'm
okay.
so excited
It was
for.
pretty productive. Like we did a lot.
Yeah, we went around. We got it around.
We're like, fuck tomorrow. Tuesday though?
Yeah.
Go to the reading room.
Tuesday is where it's at.
I found this like little reading room in London. It's around Soho, and it's like they have like these little cushions. Like it's basically like a big library. And I was like, Amelia, you wanna like go and read on Tuesday? And she's like, yeah. And I was like, yeah. She's like, yeah. Even though we have things like planned tomorrow and it's gonna be fun.
Tomorrow,
we're like more looking forward to read on Tuesday.
Yeah.
I really want to finish my book, like Child Patience.
How much do you have left?
I literally just started.
Oh.
So.
And
I have good Christy
love it.
mascara.
I was scared because I heard that some
shower.
people like
Is it this thing that you use?
Literally, you know those things that you use to like wash your back and stuff, like those shower. Yeah, I use that. Sorry.
Fit check, everyone. Oh my god.
It's like, it's literally just my nostril.
Oh my god. It would survive the second apocalypse, third, fifth. Yeah. World destruction.
Actually, it's a property of me now.
So cute. Yeah, it keeps going. Friday?
No, you. Okay, how did you do that? Like this?
Yeah.
Wait, let me sit with you.
My tongue is gonna turn blue.
You know what this is?
We like pick up.
I was gonna say hello in Danish, but I actually don't even know. Should we actually? Hello!
Hey guys.
Hi, we don't know where Amelia is. I think she's taking photos.
Oh yeah.
We'll tell her you called.
I just wanted to talk to her about Easter. Do you have like Easter dinner? We just call it påskefrokost.
Påskefrokost?
I'm not even gonna try.
You guys from London.
Yeah. Ooh. Yeah.
When did you leave for sure?
I was young. I was like 4. Your bestie.
See that? Wait,
Talking about Easter Sunday.
actually, you guys can continue. I'll just take my wallet.
What happened?
I can't use my phone to pay.
Okay. Bye. Lovely to meet you.
Yeah, maybe like some of the little.
Oh, it's so cute. Yeah. Chili chicken, vegetable samosas. Wait, Laura, I'm gonna show you the skirt I thrifted. Hold on. Hello, video diary. I'm in quite the rush and quite the getup, as you can see. Sorry, heels. On my way to a movie premiere. Anatomy of a Scandal. I think it's a series actually. Anyway, I had to pick up a package. Oh, you can't even see it. I thought it might be fun to open it because I have to leave in literally like 2 seconds, but I'm too curious and I really want to know what's in it. Okay. Wow. All right. What is this? What is this? What is this? Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my god. It's holy shit, dude. It's so gorgeous. Did I get a size too big? Perhaps. And there's another one in here too. Tracksuits. Let's try on that. I can't be doing this. I have to go. Let's try it on. Oh, it's a good thing I came back. I forgot my film. The whole reason I was going. What? Oh my god. So cool. Oh, this is really cute. I actually really like the size, I think. Thank you, Selective Studios. I really gotta go, as you can tell by my labored breathing. I'm not bringing the camcorder, unfortunately. Oh my god, I literally look naked. I may or may not take photos on my phone. If I do, I shall insert them. You need a new fucking mirror. See ya. Nuria's probably like, Lisa, where the fuck are you? I'm like, opening a package. Okay, bye.